Welcome students. Today we shall start the realization of multiplication, and of course we had seen that multiplication by area model. So now we are able to realize this multiplication. Today is students 23rd May 2021. It is the video number 25 which I am giving to you, and of course there was the gap of that 22nd May 2021, and we are realizing the multiplication today. So students, to realize the multiplication, I am giving you a kind of array. You know that an array will have the rows and columns. So a kind of array I am giving to you. Try to observe this students. I am drawing a kind of array of dots, and we want to realize this multiplication, isn't it? So in the terms of that maths only you will realize, don't go to the meditation, by putting a dot you are meditating. Meditate in the terms of that maths, not in the terms of any other thing. Don't become spiritual right now, and try to observe this array in the terms of multiplication. So we are having an array of the dots, something like 8 students. Look into it and try to think about this array in the terms of multiplication. Carefully watch it first. Here is an array. We are getting the rows and columns, and we are having an array of dots. So first task should be that how many dots are there, students. Count that how many dots are present in this array. Of course, when you look at it, you will find that there are 4, 4, 8, 4, 12 and 4, 16 dots. So we are getting an array of 16 dots, students, and we want to realize this multiplication. Isn't it? So try to realize this. Now 16 dots we are getting. So, and we are talking about that multiplication. So observe it, students. So students, if you will carefully look into it, we can group these dots. Isn't it? Suppose we are starting grouping these dots in a pair. So we are having the first group here, which has the 2 dots. So 2 dots we are grouping. So here we will find one more group. Here will be a group of that 2 dots. Here also we'll find a group of 2 dots. Here as well 2 dots are also making a group, and here also a group of 2 dots we will get. Isn't it, students? So we have seen that we can group them in a pair, and when are we grouping them in a pair? So how many groups are we finding, students? Count that how many groups are we finding if we are grouping them in a pair. Meaning is that 2 dots you are grouping. So how many group are you going to find in this? Which is an array of 16 dots. Count. Of course, 8 group, isn't it? So students, you are getting, if you are grouping this array in 2 dots, one group have the 2 dots. So how many groups are you finding, students? 8 group. 2 into 8, which will give us what, students? 16. Which will give us 16. Isn't it, students? Once again, try to observe this. Once again, we have the same array which have the 16 dots. Once again, try to observe it in the terms of multiplication. Look at it and carefully watch it. One time we have observed. Now one more time we want to observe. Look at it. That now what are you observing in it? Again we are getting an array of 16 dots and want to look it in the terms of multiplication. One time we have seen, we have observed. Next time, what are you observing, student? Try to think in your mind. You will group them, isn't it? So how will you group them? Try to think. Of course, so many ideas will be coming to you. So, of course, we can group them, students, in 4 dots, isn't it? So we are grouping them in 4 dots. So we will have one group here, one group here, and then one group here, and one group here, isn't it? So we are grouping the 4 dots. We are grouping the 4 dots. And how many group are we finding, students? So where are we grouping them in 4 dots? So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are getting the 4 groups. And once again, students, 4 into 4 is what, students? 16. So 2 dots we have grouped. Next we are grouping 4 dots. Why are we not thinking about the 3 dots, students? Look, students, if you will think about the 3 dots, grouping the 3 dots, some dots will be left, isn't it? So if I am talking about this once again, we are getting an array of 16 dots, isn't it, students? So we have grouped them in a pair, or we can say we have grouped them in 2 dots, in 4 dots. Why are we not grouping them in 3 dots? So let me draw once more this 16 dots. Okay. And now try to think to group them in 3 dots, students. Try in your pen and paper, or in your mind also you can group them in 3 dots. One group will have the 3 dots. We have grouped the dots in pair, means one group will have the 2 dots. Next time we have grouped them in 4 dots. Why are we not thinking about the grouping the dots in grouping the 3 dots together? Look students, if we will group the 3 dots, isn't it? So this 3 dot here, 3 dot here, okay, 3 dot here, 3 dots here you will get, and 3 dots here you will get, and once again you will get the 3 dots here, but 1 dot will be left. We can't group this. We are finding that only one, here is the 1 dot which has been left. We can't group that. That is why we will not think about that, grouping them in 3 dots. We can't group 3 dots together, because if we have an array of 16 dots, so if we will try to think about the grouping them in the 3 dots, 1 dot will be left. So of course it is going to give us an idea about that multiplication of decimals, so we shall not talk about that. So that is why we are not talking about the multiplication of the decimals. That is why we will say we can't group them in 3 dots. Okay students, so you can put a cross here. We can't group them in 3 dots. So once again realize it students, we can't group them in 3 dots. So once again, if we want to observe it in the terms of multiplication, so how can we observe? So once again, observe this array in the terms of multiplication. Observe it. Don't go to the bed, students. Try to observe it in the terms of multiplication. So once again, if you will observe it, students, so what can you do, students? You can group this in 8 dots. Isn't it, students? You can group this in 8 dots as well. So when we group them in 8 dots, so how many group are we finding, students? 1 and 2 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots when are we grouping? So that we are finding the 2 groups. So of course it's when 8 dots we are grouping, and how many groups are we finding? 2 groups. So 8 into 2 is going to give us what, students? 16. And we had seen that now we can't group them in 3 dots, as 1 dot will be left. We have grouped them in 2 dots, we have grouped them in 4 dots. 3 dots we are looking, that 1 dot will be left, so we will not talk about the grouping them in 3 dots, since that 1 dot will be left. And here when are we that grouping them in 8 dots, so we are getting the 2 groups. Of course students, if you will say that once again we want to observe it and want to that group them, we have grouped them in 2 dots, we have grouped them in 3 dots, we have seen that it will be not grouped, 4 dots will be grouped, and if you want to observe this group of that 5 dots, so of course student, if we will that group the 5 dots together in one group, so how many group you can have students? Of course you will have how many groups students? 3 groups. You will have 3 groups, but one dot will be left. If you will group them in 5 dots, so 1, 2, 3 group you will find, and 1 dot will be left. Meaning is what students? 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, and 1 will be left, and which will make 15 plus 1 16. Here when you look students, there are the group of 3 dots, so how many group are you finding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 1 dot will be left, so 15 plus 1 is going to give you what? 16. So since 1 dots will be left, so we will not group them like this, isn't it? And once again, if you want to observe and want to try to make the group of 6 dots, so what will you observe students? Now we want to that group them in 6 dots. So one group is here of that 6 dot, one group will be here of that 6 dot, but this 4 dots will be left. Can we group them in 6 dots? No. So what can you observe? 2 group of that 6 dots, meaning is that 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, and these 4 dots will make 16. Of course we will not select these ones as well, as we can't group all the dots. Some dots will be left, so we will not talk about that. And once again, if you want to observe of that 7 dots, group of that 7 dots, what will you get students? How many group can we have? 7 2s are 14, so there will be 2 groups of that 7 dots, and how many dots will be left? 7 2s are 14, so 2 dots will be left only, isn't it? So look at here, that if we are that grouping that in 7 dots, so that 7 dots will be something like this, and how many dots will be left? 2 dots. 2 group of that 7 dots we are finding, and 2 dots will be left. 7 2s are 14, and 14 plus 2 dots, 7 dots, group of that 7 dots having the 2 groups. So 1 and 2 groups of that 7 dots, 7 2s are 14, and 2 dots has been left, meaning is that 14 plus 2 is 16. Of course we can't that group all the dots, some dots will be left, so also we will not select that. Of course, when are we talking about the grouping the dots, grouping the 8 dots together, so we will find that there will be 2 groups and all the dots will be grouped. So this one we can select, and of course when you use that group 9 dots together student, so there will be only one group, and 7 dots will be left, isn't it? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s will go 18, 9 2s are 18, so 18 is more than 16. It is going beyond to 16. So what will we do? 9 1 ja 9, but how many? 7 dots will be left in that case. And if you will group the 10 dots together, so now you will look that we will have only one group, because 10 2s are 20 going beyond to 16. So one group can be there. So 10 1 ja 10. And how many dots will be left? 6. So of course we can not go to that since we can't group all the dots. So in the same way you can talk about that 11, 12, 13 and 14 and 15 as well, and there you will look that some dots will be left, all the dots will be not grouped. So we will not select those, we will select only those ones which will be in which that all the dots will be grouped. Okay. So try to observe it, students. What I have said to you and what I have done here in that realization of multiplication. We had seen that now when are we grouping them in a pair, so we are getting the 8 groups, so that is okay. We had grouped all the dots in a pair. And when are we talking about this bottommost group of that 3 dots, so all the dots will be not grouped, one dot will be left, so we will not talk about that. And of course when are we grouping them in 3 dots, so 1 2 3 4 5 groups are we finding, meaning is that is when 3 5s are 15, one dot is left, so there will be 16. Okay. And when are we grouping them in that 5 dots, 4 dots, when had we that group, we had seen that all the dots will be grouped and there will be 4 groups. So 4 dots, when are you grouping? You are finding the 4 groups, meaning is that 4 4s are 16 and all the dots are grouped there. When are you grouping them in that 5 dots? So you are finding 1 2 3 groups, but one dot will be left here. Meaning is that what, student? When are you grouping them when are you grouping the 5 dots? So 3 groups are you are finding, and 5 3s are 15. One dot is left, which will make 16. So since all the dots are not grouped here, so we will not select this. And of course, when are you talking about that group of that 6 dots, so you will find that 2 groups will be formed, but 4 dots will be left. Meaning is what, student? 6 2s are 12 and 4 dots left. 12 plus 4, 16. In the same way, if you are talking about that 7 dots, so we will have that 2 groups, 7 2s are 14, but 2 dots will be left. 14 plus 2, 16. So in these observation we are looking that since all the dots are not grouped, so we will not talk about this here. These will give us that decimal multiplication. So we are not talking about the multiplication, decimal multiplication, so we shall not select these ones. Of course, when are we talking about the group of the 8 dots, so we can group all the dots and we will find the 2 groups, so 8 2s are 16. And if you are going for that 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so you will find that now some dots will be left in that case. Of course, student, we can talk about the all the dots. If we have an array of that 16 dots, so of course, can we make a group of 1 dot? Yes, you can make a group of 16 dots. There is 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. This one will become 5. This one will become 6. This one will become 7. This one will become 8. This one will become 9. This 10. This 11. 12. This 13. This 14. This 15. This 16. Is it? So students, you are grouping 1 dot, and how many group are you finding? 16 group you are finding. So 1 into 16 is going to give you what, student? 16 only, isn't? And of course, can we talk about that a group of that 16 dots? Yes. If you want to group these 16 dots together, so how many group you will find, students? Huh? Fill that group. All the 16 dots together, so we can group that and we will find how many group here? We will find one group here. So of course, student, we are grouping the 16 dots, and how many group are we finding? We are finding the one group. So 16 into 1 is also going to give us what? 16 students. So these will become the correct ones, isn't it? We will select this. So we select. We have selected this. We have selected this, and we will select these as well. Okay. Try to observe it, students. Those who know, it's good, and those who are not aware about it, please try to think about it, try to observe it. Why am I telling to you? So many teachers is not going to discuss this, because when I have seen to these students, I was finding so many students are not getting LCM and SCM. If I will talk about the LCM and SCM, they will become a lot of confused. They will get confused what the teacher is saying to me. And some students will drop their dhakkans and will become dhakkan in the line. So I was thinking about this. I have talked to so many teachers, and they have not given me any kind of the solution by which we can make aware about these students about the observation of SCF and LCM. So I was thinking about that from long time, and I had concluded some things to which I am talking. Please try to observe it. This is going to give you SCF and LCM in a very easy way. Because what I am talking is, student, I am talking about the factor of the 16. I am talking about the factors of the 16. I will talk about the factor and multiples, factors and multiples in that next class. In the very next class I will talk. But before that, students, please try to observe it. Then only it will help you there. And once you will be able to find out that what are the factors and multiples, so that SCF and LCM will become very easy to you. So I think I have given you the observation. Please go through it, try to think about it. I am not saying you to get this. Still I am saying to you, please repeat this twice, thrice. What I want to say to you. You can make an array of that. You can have an array of that 6 rows, 6 columns. You can have an array of that 5 rows, 5 columns, and you can perform this task there as well, and can look that what will be the factors in that case. Okay. So I am thinking I should stop here. Some more observation I should give to you, otherwise I think you will get confused. One class is not sufficient to make you understand about this. So we shall move slowly, students, by turtle move, so that we can get the things correctly. Once I will be able to tell you about that number system, and you will study that number system correctly and learn all the points and the things which I have told to you, I am telling to you, no chapter is going to bother you. Why am I taking time in that telling to you number system and that picking out that so many points and that telling to you that number. Otherwise, if you don't know the number, So you will not know that anything, SCF, LCM, percentage, what is ratio, proportion, all these things. I can't tell you the things in air. I want to make you that observe the things. That is why I am saying to you, those who are interested and watching this, please carefully watch it. Otherwise, it's up to you. I also don't have any kind of that expectation from this. Okay. Enough for today's stress. Thank you all of you.